Good Friday evening, a beautiful look on our Grand Forks home of economy Skycam. Sunshine, fall colors, a bit of a breeze, but look at the blue sky out there this evening. Here's how warm things have gotten so far with the temperatures. 74 degrees, that high temperature in Fargo so far, and then seeing a lot of upper 70s to low 80s in the Southern Valley. Even our friends up toward the north warmed into the mid to upper 60s this afternoon. I do expect us to squeeze out perhaps a few more degrees in the next couple of hours, but of course once that sun goes down we will cool pretty quickly across the valley. Current winds northwest 15 to 20 miles per hour for most of us, seeing some gusts in the windier spots. 29 mile per hour gust in Grand Forks, 25 mile per hour gust for our friends in Devils Lake, also gusting 29 miles per hour in Jamestown. Satellite and radar clear and quiet. Current temperatures in those mid to upper 60s still in the northern part of our viewing area. Then Sisseton, 81 degrees still, 74 in Fargo. If you do plan on stepping out, may need the water bottle to stay hydrated for the sunshine and the warmth we have here for our Friday. Also keeping our eyes glued to Hurricane Delta. It continues to make headlines both in news and weather as it is churning toward the southern part of Louisiana. That's soaking Lake Charles with more rainfall and the I-10 corridor there between Baton Rouge and Lake Charles as well. So it's still about 50 miles or so south of Louisiana itself, the core of the storm. But you can see those effects are being felt already by the areas like Lake Charles that have been already devastated by Hurricane Laura earlier this season. So this is expected to make landfall in the next couple of hours right near where Hurricane Laura made landfall earlier this season. But you see that rain is already extending all the way up to northern parts of Louisiana, expected to remain in Category 2 when it makes landfall, then weaken quickly to a tropical storm as it moves in toward just north of Jackson, Mississippi, and then eventually on in Tennessee as we continue through the rest of this weekend. Winds are gusting to 125 miles per hour as it is just south of Louisiana. So closer to home, hour by hour for us. We're quiet overnight tonight. A few passing clouds here or there. By 10:30 or so, seeing 40s and 50s. We will cool into the 30s up toward the north, with most of us waking up tomorrow in the 40s, but you can see the chance of some low 30s in parts of the northern valley tomorrow morning. But then tomorrow afternoon, sunshine joins us again. 40s and 50s by lunchtime. Southeast breeze then returns for us tomorrow. And you can see temperatures are quite a bit cooler, 50s to 60s for those high temperatures for our Saturday. And things will stay fairly quiet even overnight into Sunday, with perhaps a few more passing clouds, but a stronger south wind will be setting the stage for a windy Sunday out ahead of a cold front coming through Sunday evening. And that cold front is why we do have that first alert weather day for Sunday itself. The Storm Prediction Center has our northern Minnesota neighborhoods in a slight risk of severe weather, which is 2 out of 5 on that severe weather risk scale. So notice mostly northern Minnesota in that threat for severe weather. Any storm that develops, wind the primary concern. Here's the hour by hour for this. This is Sunday around 7:05 p.m. Notice the wind shifting from the south to the more westerly direction, both in front of and behind this front. So seeing that well-defined wind shift and seeing, of course, that chance of that line of storms there in northern Minnesota. It's moving pretty quickly, though, so expect by before midnight Sunday, I do expect it to be out of our neck of the woods off toward the east. So that is good news. But of course, if you do have plans on Sunday, or if you're watching football on Sunday, make sure to have that phone handy in case any of those storms do indeed become severe. For your hometown forecast for your Saturday shows plenty of sunshine, 50s up toward the north, and then the low to mid 60s off toward the south. Could see some low 70s in parts of South Dakota along the North Dakota state line. Our beautiful photo of the day is from Strawberry Lake. Brandy uploaded this one. The clouds reflecting off of that quiet water. Thanks so much, Brandy, for uploading this photo to us. So for Saturday, we are cooler. We're seeing those low to mid 60s for highs. Then Sunday, a bit warmer. South winds will warm our temperatures up, but that first alert weather day for the cold front coming through Sunday evening. Then into next week, look at these temperatures. We're seeing highs in the 50s and 60s as we move through the first half of the week, but then much cooler weather comes in. Cali, some areas on Friday may only see highs in the 40s. So it looks like this weekend we're having some nice fall weather to contend with outside of that chance of some strong to severe storms on Sunday.
It's so hard to believe, Nathan. It's so beautiful out there today.
It really is. It's fantastic.
All right. Well, thanks so much. And